And that exhaust. It sounds so good. Nice work, team. The little Royal Garage crown. I love it.
All right, those are good.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta have this for the finishing touches, right?
So cool. What's up, John? This looks amazing.
Well, you told me Jeremy liked music, so we took care of you.
Kicker John is a genius, and every system that he builds for a car is completely unique. I haven't even heard it yet, and I can tell you it looks loud.
It's gonna be loud. Besides the components and the 6x9s, we got this unbelievable subwoofer. It's about ready to power it up to see if it works, and it works.